I still believe in where this love came from and how we felt back then just can't be wrong. We closed the doors and locked our hearts outside, but it takes more than words to keep good love alive. You saw me cry and wondered why the tears. Yet time slipped by and soon turned into years, till in the end I thought that love had died. But it takes more than thoughts to keep good love alive. But I miss the roses that you used to send, and I miss the soft words between lovers and friends, and I miss the arms that once held me so tight, and I miss the kisses that showed me the flame of love never died. I've noticed more than you might ever know how we are now compared to long ago. But I believe that love still lives inside. But it takes more than dreams to keep good love alive. But I miss the roses that you used to send, and I miss the soft words between lovers and friends, and I miss the arms that once held me so tight.